This is Dave with Pro Security Products. I had my two techs, Terry and Coty, come out and install a couple of gate locks. They took an existing system and made it work with Salto. So what we've used is an Adams right deadbolt with some Salto Neo cylinders. Here it is unlocked. And the other gate you can unlock with this flush bolt. So we've locked it up, and then we can take this gate, present the card to it. There, we've locked it, so now neither gate will open. There it is unlocked. And we put a cylinder on each side of the gate so that they can open it from either side and have an audit trail on this. Another example of some creativeness from my techs. This is Dave with Pro Security Products.